Are we ready to hear the second runner-up? And do we have any guesses?
Any guesses for the second runners-up?
Miss Scoot 2017, second runner-up goes to contestant number 9, Hatni Tong.
And to give out the prizes, we would like to invite, for crowning, we would like to invite the chairman, State Level Good Committee, and P. Moite Dongel for presenting the stash.
Second runner-up, contestant number 9, Hatne Tong, will receive a cash prize of rupees 50,000.
Ladies and gentlemen, your second runners-up, contestant number 9, Hatne Tong. Show some love, come on people! Congratulations, contestant number 9, Hatne Tong, for winning the second runners-up title. Now, it's the first runners-up. Who is the winner? Ko hindi nga naging mo, ma'am? Langahola, ko hindi nga naging mo, ma'am? The first runners-up, Miss 2017, goes to contestant number 6, Danube Kanzam. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for her. Come on!
I kindly ask Puletpa Hokip to please step forward for the presentation of both the checkboard and the bouquet. I also ask the first runner-up, Miss Scoot 2016, Neng Hoi Tong Hokip, to please crown this year's first runner-up. This is contestant number 6, Danube Kanzam, your first runner-up, Miss Scoot 2017. Presenting the crown is the first runner-up, 2016, Neng Hoi Tong Hokip.
A round of applause for this beautiful lady! The first runners-up will get a cash prize of 75,000. And presenting the bouquet and the cash prizes, Puletpa Hokip Honorable Minister YAS. A round of applause. Come on, people. Let's hear it for her. Before I declare, I request the remaining 3 contestants to kindly step forward. The remaining contestants, contestant number 5, 16, and 10. What is your winner? Who is it? It is a reminder. Please listen. Mi pihohe nga het sa tu. Iti result hi tunil ha abo decide ki bol hipon a performance apat screening ki bol ni apat na hi mark ki pepe na hitay. Miss Good 2017 is my co-host. Okay, jokes apart. Let's get serious now. Any guesses once more?
Are you sure you're ready to hear the winner, Miss Good? Come on, everybody, make some noise!
Come on! The time is now. Neelam and I are going to declare the winner on the count of 3. All right, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. The winner is contestant number 10, Esther Nengbi Hokim.
I kindly ask our Honorable Minister, Namta Kipken, to please step forward to present the sash. I also ask that the Miss Good 2016, Daisy Morangtem, to please step forward to crown this year's Miss Good 2017. The sash is presented by our Honorable Minister, Namta Kipken.
In few moments of time, Miss Good 2017, Esther Nengbi Hokim, will walk the ramp alone. After that, the first runners-up and the second runners-up will accompany her in a ramp walk. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Miss Good 2017, Esther Nengbi Hokim. First runners up and second runners up, please join her. These are your winners for tonight.
First runner-up, contestant number 6, Danubi Kangzam, and Miss Good 2017, contestant number 10, Esther Nengbi Hokim.
Abo hozong sa tingin na pengote!
Please, we ask all the ladies to step back for a group photo. Can we ask our 3 winners to step back for a group photo?